Hi there, this is my oral presentation of English Level 3. The main topic of my presentation is the impact of eco-petrol on the environment. I want to start by introducing myself, and then I will give reasons why eco-petrol contributes to climate change. And finished, I will describe different actions to reduce climate change. Well, my name is Ana Carolina Rodriguez. I live with my family. I live in Bogota. This is my pet Tequila. I am a student of business administration and I am e-commerce assistant in a big company. I enjoy going to cinema, sleeping, reading, and I like to travel. Let's move to the main topic of this presentation. Ecopetrol it was founded in 1951 but has its origins in the 1910s. This company is the principal oil producing, refining, and transporting company in Colombia. The company belongs to the group of 25 largest petroleum companies in the world, and it is one of the 4 principal petroleum companies in Latin America. Ecopetrol is responsible for 0.27% of global industrial greenhouse gas emissions from 1988 to 2015. Well, let's consider some of the consequences on climate change. As you know, these years humanity has been suffering from global warming and climate change, one of the main causes of fossil fuels. But how? Well, when we burn fossil fuels, we produce a component that damages the ozone layer, which is a region of the Earth's stratosphere that absorbs most of the ultraviolet radiation from the sun. The next point is that if Ecopetrol continues producing fossil fuels, this will cause the ozone in the atmosphere to decrease and the radiation from the sun to increase in the coming years. That could cause the extinction of many humans and animals. Let's consider another very important point. If human beings continue burning fossil fuels, when we use our cars, we are also responsible for climate change. We just have to change some of our habits. For example, sharing our cars with other people. Use the bicycle as a means of transport. Consider the use of electric cars. Well, according to some investigations, if Ecopetrol company reduce the use of fossil fuel and search other alternatives that can make a great difference to climate change. And finally, here are some changes we can make how to help avoid catastrophe as a result of global warming. Walking, biking, or using public transportation instead of cars will reduce carbon emissions. Car share. If you have a large, inefficient vehicle, retire and switch to an electric or plug-in hybrid vehicle. Well, this is what I wanted to share with you. Thanks for your attention to this matter, and goodbye.